Happy Valentine's Day! Today is February 14th, and this is my 4th episode of Living on Zepbound. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is day 7, which is Wednesday, so it is an injection day. Also, today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to you all. My kids got me some flowers. They're so sweet. I'm sure they didn't pay for them. I'm sure my other half paid for them, but they're so sweet. So, sitting here, it's really nice to smell them and feel joyful. Speaking of joyful, I've lost 6.7 pounds on the medication. That is basically 1 pound per day. So very excited. My beginning weight was 264.7 and I am now at 257.4. So woo, 1 pound per day, 1 pound per day. So it'll be quite interesting to see what happens in these next 7 days. Will I be down 14 pounds? We'll see. Speaking of losing weight, I have noticed a few things while being on the medication. One, I eat less. And it's not necessarily mental eat less, it's physical eat less. Meaning I make a plate and I start to eat and then my body starts to say, we're good. Hey, we're good. And so my portion size is actually smaller. In my earlier videos, I mentioned that I snack. Haven't really had the draw to snack, which is interesting. My first couple of days, you remember I mentioned belching. I was belching a lot and I wasn't sure if that was medication. Well, what I've determined based on my situation is that when I push myself to eat, when I'm not really ready to eat, that's when I get the belching. I actually haven't been belching since I think Friday. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I haven't really belched because when I'm thinking of food or thinking about what I'm about to eat, I'm not just eating, I'm just eating. And then I'm full and then I'm done. So it's a different way of eating. And if I keep this up, yeah, maybe I'll create a new habit. Maybe I will have no need to snack because I would have broken the snacking habit. So yeah, excited. 6.7 pounds in 7 days. Do my happy dance. But yeah, so I'm about to get ready to do my second injection. Come with me. All right, so we're back. Today is again Valentine's Day, day 7 for me. It is time for my second injection. Again, the instructions don't say anything about cleaning the area before giving yourself the injection, but I am. I'm going to clean that. Just a little alcohol. And I've already taken the cap off. It's on unlock. So, since I did it last time and I know it doesn't really hurt, actually it's not even really, it doesn't hurt. I'm just gonna do it. Oh, there it is. All right, injection done. As before, the little gray part comes out and all the medication is inside. And it goes, oh, you can't put it back on lock. I learned that the last time. But I will go ahead and close it up. Injection 2, done.